Here in this chapter, we will study about the words which are used for the group of something. For example, the first one is photos. So the group of photos will be called as album. Okay, group of photos is called as album. Next one, group of soldiers means army. Okay, army is used for uh, for the group of soldiers. Next one, group of musician. It is called as band. Group of judges is called as bench. Okay, then group of flats. Okay, group of flats. Flat means the building in which so many families live in the different compartments, we can say. Though so the group of flats is called as block. Okay, sixth one, group of flower. Group of flower is called as bouquet. Okay, don't be confused with the spelling, its pronunciation is bouquet. Seventh, group of grapes. Group of grapes is called as bunch. Okay, eighth one, mountains. Group of mountain is called as chain. Ninth, group of coins is called as collection. And group of sailors is called as crew. Sailors means the one who used to travel by ship. Okay, so the group of sailors is called as crew. 11th, group of stars. Group of stars is called as cluster. Star means the shining body, means sun. Sun is also a type of star, na? So the group of star is called as cluster. 12th, group of student is called as class. Okay, class 6, class 7. So these are the groups of various students. 13th, group of paintings. Group of paintings is called as gallery. 14th, group of sheep. Group of sheep is called as flock. Okay, flock. 15th, group of robbers. Group of robbers is called as gang. Next slide, ship. Group of ships is called as fleet. Group of ship is called as fleet. Group of stone, it is called as heap. Then group of cards means pack. Okay, group of cards means pack. Group of bees is called as swarm. Group of cattle is called as herd. Group of angels means host. Group of angels means host. Then group of books means library. Okay, group of books means library. 23, group of puppies. Puppies are the young ones of dog, na? Group of puppies is called as litter. Group of ants means nest. Okay, don't be confused with the words. Group of ants means nest. 25th, group of bears, which means sloth. Okay, group of bears means sloth. Group of events. Group of events is called as series. 27th, group of tools. Group of tools is called as set. Okay. 28th, group of actors. Group of various actors means troupe. Okay. 29th, group of players, which is called as team. Group of players means team. I think it is very common. 30 and last, group of fish. Group of fish is called as shoal. Okay, so we had completed this chapter also. Now it's time for the chapter number 21, and the heading is Great Achievers. In this chapter, we are going to learn the name of the some famous great achievers. Okay, some achievers. Okay, what are these people famous for? We have to give the name. We have to give the name of the profession in which these persons are famous. Okay, the first one is Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin. Who is he? Neil Armstrong is the person who means the first person to step on moon, and Edwin Aldrin was the second person to step on the moon. So they are space explorers. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin are space explorers. Second one, Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla. Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla were space travelers. Don't be confused with space explorers and space travelers. Okay, space explorers means they went for the discovery of something or for exploring the space. Okay, And Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla were the travelers. They both are Indians. Okay. Third, Bachendri Pal and Tenzing Norgay. Bachendri Pal and Tenzing Norgay. They are the great mountaineers. Okay. Who climbed on the mountains. Fourth one, Pablo Picasso and Michelangelo. Pablo Picasso and Michelangelo. These are the famous painters, okay, who used to paint. Fifth one, Birju Maharaj and Gopi Krishna. Birju Maharaj and Gopi Krishna were the famous Kathak dancers, okay. Sixth one, MS Subbalakshmi and Vishnu Digambar. MS Subbalakshmi and Vishnu Digambar. They are famous vocal musicians, okay. Vocal musicians means we can say they are a type of singers, okay. Seventh, C.V. Raman and Isaac Newton. C.V. Raman is of India, we can say, okay. He is Indian scientist. Isaac Newton. Both of these people are scientists, okay. Great scientists. Then eighth one, Sakuntala Devi and Pythagoras. I think you had heard about Sakuntala Devi. A movie also came, okay. Avidya Balan. Sakuntala Devi and Pythagoras are the great mathematician, okay. Sakuntala Devi is also called as human calculator, okay. Next one, Rabindranath Tagore and Keats. Rabindranath Tagore and Keats, they are the famous poets, okay. Rabindranath Tagore also got Nobel Prize for Literature, okay, for his work Gitanjali, yes. 10th one, Sachin Tendulkar and Donald Bradman. Sachin Tendulkar means Master Blaster, okay. So who is he? They are cricketers, okay. Sachin Tendulkar and Donald Bradman are great cricketers. 11th one, Boris Becker and Steffi Graf. Boris Becker and Steffi Graf, they are the great tennis players, okay. 12th one, Adolf Hitler and Julius Caesar. Adolf Hitler and Julius Caesar, and they are the dictators, okay. A type of leader we can say, who used to dictate their people. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Jawaharlal Nehru and Atal Bihari Vajpayee are the Prime Minister of India, okay. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, okay. So they are the Prime Minister of India. Next one, Raj Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan. Raj Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan are the sign actors, okay. I think you are familiar with Amitabh Bachchan, okay. Next one, Ravi Shankar and Zakir Hussain. Ravi Shankar and Zakir Hussain, they are the great musicians, okay. Yes, this chapter is also completed. Now, chapter number 22, okay. The title is Great Indian Personalities. Here we are going to study about some of the great Indian personalities. Yes, these are the pictures. Each of the personalities shown below has glorified India in one field or the other. So we have to identify them and write their names, okay. Here, the first one is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was one of the founders of Indian Atomic Energy Program. He was an eminent nuclear scientist, okay. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which is in Mumbai. So he was the famous founder, okay. He is a founder of Atomic Energy Program. Next one is Uday Shankar. This is the image of Uday Shankar, okay, on second number. And who is he? Uday Shankar is the brother of musician Pandit Ravi Shankar, okay. And he has performed alongside Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova, okay. And he is basically famous for creating the dances of Hindu wedding and Radha and Krishna, okay. The next one is Milkha Singh. Who is he? Milkha Singh. He is also known with a nickname which is called Flying Sikh, the Flying Sikh. And he is the only athlete of India who came fourth in 400-meter race at the Rome Olympic, okay. So he is an athlete. Fourth one is Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh was one of the leaders of Indian freedom struggle, okay. He was a famous leader of Indian freedom struggle and he set up an ashram at Puducherry. Where? At Puducherry. His teachings revolve round the belief that man is only a transitional being. Means he believed in the soul, not in the body, not on the material things. Okay. Now the next one. Fifth one is J.R.D. Tata. Okay, J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata was the first Indian to be issued a pilot's license on February 10 of 1929. He is the father of Indian industry. Okay, because he built the first industry of India. Okay, so he is also known as the father of Indian industry. Next one is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was India's first woman ambassador. Okay, the first woman ambassador and the first woman to be elected as the Speaker of UN General Assembly. Okay, she is the first lady of India to be elected as the Speaker of UN General Assembly. Understood? Next one is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is he? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri became Prime Minister of India after Jawaharlal Nehru death. Okay, so we can say he is the second Prime Minister of India. Okay, he coined the slogan, which one? Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He is famous for giving a slogan which is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, and he died in Taskent. Taskent is the name of a city. Okay, after signing the peace agreement with Pakistan. Means he went in Taskent for an agreement with Pakistan, peace agreement, okay, and died there. The last one is Satyajit Ray. Who is Satyajit Ray? Satyajit Ray is the only Indian to receive the Oscar Award for Lifetime Achievement in Cinema. Okay, so he is the only Indian, we can say, to receive the Oscar Award for Lifetime Achievement in Cinema. And he was a famous film director from Bengal. It is a Bengali name now. Okay, so he is from Bengal. So we had completed many of the chapters. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed them. Study them well and complete your copies. Okay, thank you.